Hi, I'm Allie. Join me as I show you how to do these Apex pearl earring featuring the metal Ava beads. If you need materials, let me show you how. Click on the link in the description below to go to our website. Then click on the Add All Materials to Cart button. If any items are out of stock, don't worry. Just pick your favorite alternative from the options displayed. All right, now let's get started making our project. All right, we're gonna start these elegant Ava drops, and I'm going first through the first hole of the Ava bead. Now, one thing with the Avas to keep in mind is that there's two holes. These are metal, and I'm going through that first hole of the Ava bead. At the top here, I'm gonna add 1, 2, 3, and 4 of my 15 seed beads that I'm using. I'm gonna use one of my rondelles, of the pearl rondelles, put on my wire guard, and you can simply stop here if you want just that simple little open earring too. Go down through the opposite side of that wire guard, down towards the pearl, back through that pearl, and just through the pearl, not through the seed beads. And if you want to, you can go into that wire guard. I usually like to go in and just kind of press them together a little bit if they're going into a single hole. Nice tight pull. Move that stop bead just kind of out of the way. And I'm using size 8 dragon thread in the green color, simply because that's what I had already on my needle. 4 more seed beads go on, and I'm going through that same Ava bead on the opposite side to create that nice little V at the top. And that's just going to sit right there on the top of the bead. From here, we're going to add 4 more of our 15 seed beads, and these are in the champagne color. We're going to go into the bottom hole of this Ava bead, the very bottom of the leg here. I want you to add 1 and 2 15 seed beads. Then we're going to go down through one of the Potomac pearl drops. These drops here are in the 6x9 size. I'm grabbing 3 of my 15s to work as a stop that we're also going to be connecting to at the bottom of that pearl. What I want to make sure is that at the bottom of this pearl, these 3 beads turn into a triangle. So you're just going to kind of move them around there, almost pinching them, getting that middle one to pop out. See how that did that there? And then I'm going to give a little tight pull to get rid of all that extra thread. From here, 1 and 2 more seed beads. We're going to go through the opposite leg of that metal Ava, or Ava bead rather. And then we're going to add 1, 2, 3, and 4 more seed beads. We're going to connect to the 4 seed beads that are already there, go through the pearl. We're going to reinforce our wire guard. Sometimes it's tight to get up there. You just need to turn it a little bit. I should have grabbed, or I should have gone into one of those sides of the wire guard coming out here. That would have made life easier. Up and around we go, and down the opposite side. Going down the opposite side then, we're going to go right through those 4 seed beads, and we're going to go right through the next 4 seed beads as well, because we want them to look pretty much like a seamless line. Making sure when you do this that your thread stays inside that little channel of the wire guard. And again, the goal, I'm moving that stop bead out because I just want to kind of move those beads around so they look like a continuous line above. From here, I'm going to go through the bottom of my Ava bead, and I'm just going to come out through that Ava bead without going through any of those seed beads. Now we're going to add a count of 10 of our 15s. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I like that this gives the illusion that it is bezel set. We're going to go into bead number 1 out of the 3 along the bottom there. Go into bead number 2, turning it in my hand. I'm going up through bead number 3. Give a nice tight little pull to get those tight around that bead. Now once again, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go into the Ava bead on the opposite side, kind of wiggling your needle around there. Move your seed beads along the side, up those 4 beads. I turn it towards the back, grab that stop bead, which was just that little silver bead, kind of push it out of the way, tie a knot to end the thread, just tying those two together. And I want to keep this towards the back because I want that seed bead line to look pretty continuous. There we go. And then I'm going to take that needle and I'm going to go back through the opposite side of the whole of the Ava, pulling those threads to two opposite sides, taking a thread burner or a thread zap then and just burning off that extra thread once again toward the back of the project. That is it. It's so simple. You could do this with any colors of the metal Ava beads. It gives such a nice boutique jeweler look. Bending that to the side, dropping that on your wire guard or your ear wire. If it doesn't fit in, go up through the back like this one, down through, and close that up for that nice, elegant Ava pearl drop earring. Thanks so much for joining me in creating these Apex pearl earrings. Can't wait to see what metal colors you want to do them in to make this high-end luxury feel. Remember, if you do need materials, they are listed below the video in the description. And don't forget, if you haven't yet, give a little thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'd love to show you more things and come at you with more inspirational ideas. Thanks again for watching and stay tuned for more.